Hey, so I'm back, and in this episode, we will make our first actual Ruby program. Okay, I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because I'm very excited. So before starting, I really hope you guys have already installed, your preferred IDE. Uh, if you haven't, not an issue. You can use your IDE. You can use your text editors as well, like gedit or Notepad or whatever. If you don't, if you already have installed your IDEs, then yeah, much better, right? It'll be much easier for you to use. Okay, and I can show you some, I can give you some tricks and tips to, make your coding life much easier. Okay, so let's start. So I want you guys to, follow what I do. Okay, and do what I do step by step. Okay, so first I want you guys to open your terminal, and then go to your desired directory where you want to save the files, right? So I'm gonna make mine right now, and I'm naming Ruby. Let's go to Ruby. Okay, and I'm gonna open my editor there. Wait, let me make my program first. Okay, I'm gonna name it first program.rb. Okay, you can name yours whatever. Okay, I'm gonna open my IDE. Okay, so my IDE is open, and here this is my first program. Okay, so let's test by using by doing puts and doing hello world. Okay, this is how I write hello world, if you guys haven't noticed. Okay, so this is a Ruby. To start off, you have to go to terminals. I'd like to use my own terminal from VS Code. If you don't have VS Code, if you don't want to use this terminal, then you can come here and then do cd ruby or wherever the directory is, and do ruby first program.rb to start off your program. And as you can see, this is working properly. Okay, that means we can write our own programs here. Okay, so I want this program to, in this program I want to, use all the previous stuffs that you have learned and make use of it. Okay, so we're gonna make, first of all, we're gonna write puts, or let's say write print first, and write welcome to my first Ruby program. Okay, save it and try. And it's working, but I'm not getting any new line. So for new line, you write /n. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Okay. Now this Robocop is disturbing me. So Robocop is a code, it makes your code much more elegant. I'm just gonna disable it for this workspace. Okay, I hope I don't get any of these errors. Yeah. Now in the next line I'm gonna write, okay, let's start off with addition. Okay, I'm gonna make my program beautiful by doing this, and then puts, right, enter two numbers to be added. Okay, and then right, enter the first number. Okay, let's try out till this much. Yep, we're getting welcome to our first Ruby program, and I want to give it more, some more spaces I want to give. doesn't work because I'm using this. Yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna give makes it look yeah. And the first numbers to be added and the second number to be added. The first number, yep, not required for that. Okay, now what I want is number 1 equals to getS. If you guys remember, getS takes an input from what is wrong. I'm just gonna disable it for now. Oh, I need to reload it. getS takes a string, right? So to convert that string into integer, we have to use .toI method. Okay, so that 2i is 2 integer. Okay, so any string that it takes, it converts it into integer. Okay, and then let's write puts. Let's just give puts here, and then puts, and the second number. Number 2 equals getS 2i. Okay, and then let's sum it. So sum equals to number 1 plus number 2, and then output this, right? So we can just do sum and try this out. And we didn't get any. Oh, okay. Yeah. So to use this, to print this thing, to print an integer or a number in a string, you have to use something called string interpolation. Okay, it's called string interpolation. Okay, so what this is so inside any string, if you need to output a value of a number or variable, you have to use this. So this is string interpolation. So what this does is this. It's 2s. So this 2 underscore s is exactly like 2 underscore I. So 2 underscore I converts a string to integer, and similarly 2 underscore s converts an integer to a string. Okay, so let's write something like this: sum of two numbers are and let's try out this. Perfect. Okay, now print this one with some more area, and then the puts multiplication. Nope, right, to subtraction, right? Subtraction. Okay, and then it's separated, right? It just doesn't look that good. As a developer, you should always make sure to make your codes, keep your codes clean, so that other people can read it as well, right? Okay, now let's say puts and two numbers to be subtracted. Okay, right, and the first number, and then again let's use the equals get s to I and again enter the second number 2 get s to I. Okay, and then what's the opposite of sum? What do you call this? Okay, I'm just gonna call it result because I'm dumb and I don't remember what this thing is called actually. So the okay, so this is our subtraction which I didn't give. Oh, I gave already. Okay, now again same thing. I'm gonna print /n. Let's try this out. Mm, 11 3 8, correct. Okay, now let's try multiplication. Right. Okay, and then again this the first number 1 equals get s to I. Just enter the second number 2 equals get s to I, and product and then puts okay, we'll try this again. We'll try this with both. We'll finish off division and then we'll try this. Good. Let's take float for this. Okay, and let's take float for this as well. Okay, I think we're done with our program working. Then 30, 44, 33, 11 and 5, 9, 45 and 9.5 and 9. We had 1.055555. Correct. So there you go. So this is our first Ruby program. uh, I know I've skipped a lot of different operators. I want you guys to try out modular operator and exponential operator by yourself, right? So use this example and try to get the remainder and even the exponential. Try to use the exponential operator by yourself and let me know if you have any problems. Okay. So I think this is it for this episode. In the next episode, we'll talk about conditions and again making a program with that. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this episode. Okay, wait, I want to show you guys something else too, right? So if you're using VS Code, then I want you guys to go to extensions, and then I want you guys to install Ruby. Okay, so this gives you a lot of cool stuff, like for example I'm writing puts, I get this automatically. Okay, so and again I want you guys to install Ruby language colorization or something else to show the colors, to make all these things colorful. Okay, not it's not compulsory, but it'll be very helpful for you guys. Okay, and let's see what else do I want you guys to install. Nope, I think that's good for now. Okay, if you guys can, if you want to, you can install those stuffs. It'll be very convenient for you guys to work with, right? You get all these documentations and stuff, and you can understand exactly in detail what these does. Okay, what these do. Print while gets, this is line 1, line 2. Do you so you see, so these are examples of 2i, right? If you write 99 space red balloon, you're still gonna get 9, right? If you write 0a to I, you're still gonna get that, this, that. So a lot of cool stuffs. Okay, so this is it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and and make sure to subscribe and even like. I really want you guys to like this episode, right? It was very exciting, and I hope you guys have had fun. Okay, so see you guys in the next episode.